22. We're gonna do a range boost test right now. So I was doing a speed run, but I'm getting too much wind. Car's doing too much craziness. So I'm gonna just send the car down there as far as it could go. And we're gonna go from there. I'll stay right here on my speed run, so I just need to know how far the car's gonna go from here. I ain't trying to go too far and too fast in case I lose reception, but I lose reception probably right around here. So still going. Alright, I still got reception right there, but I can't really see, and I got a car coming. Well, I could see, but I got a car coming. Oh yeah, we still got reception. I didn't even have to hold that up. So we down there. We about, let me see if I can count it. I'm at 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm at the fifth pole down there. That's way past my distance. She down there though. That's a good run. I definitely got some range, y'all. But I was staying right here and lose reception. So usually I move up there and go right there. I'm right here, good to go. No remote in the air, nothing. That's a good thing. That's definitely braking room and stopping room. And I'm almost to the corner if I keep going. So I definitely got range, y'all. This did work for me. I'm happy it did. I'm sorry I couldn't get a speed running today. It was ugly. It was ugly. But I'll post up the videos I caught at the speed running, how crazy it was. Thinking I'm getting crosswind, and that's no good for me right now. But yeah, I hope y'all can see. I'll probably do it as I'm leaving, show y'all the count of the poles. But 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna show y'all again how far I went down. I went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and past the 5th pole. So it's got one more pole before the corner, so that's pretty far down, man. With the range booster, I wasn't getting it that far before. It's probably getting it to the 3rd, maybe 4th pole, if that. And the car free rolled by itself because I lost reception. But that's definitely good that this worked. So now it's time to put down some numbers. Y'all know what time it is. Anyway, man, I hope this video helped somebody and somebody enjoyed it. Y'all stay tuned, more to come from this. Remember, I do my run right here. That's why I was parked at. So remember I told y'all this is the 1st pole right here. Keep going down. It's the 2nd pole right here. 3rd pole. So I would lose reception right around here. You know, the car would slide. Right now, I'm passing the 4th pole. Still got reception up to right here. That's 5th pole. And then it's like it's kind of far from me. I'm still got reception right here from way back there. That's pretty good of a distance. I don't come all the way down here because of that dip right there. So I would start braking around 4.5 and hopefully stop before 5.5. So anyway, that's my road, and that's the extender. Hopefully y'all get the concept of why I put the extender up there. Thanks for tuning in, y'all. Again with the slider, y'all see that? Got a car coming fast as hell over here. What you doing, dog? This is how I pull my car over.